What's going on, y'all? Jeff from Apex Predator Outfitters. Hey, we got some creepy stuff to talk about today. This is a Blue Dragon Sea Slug, and it is one of the craziest things swimming in the ocean. Now, I got my notes, I got my camera. You know what that means. We're gonna learn today. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about these guys, it looks like they got wings. Hence the dragon name. Those things are actually used for a variety of reasons. The first is venom storage. Think of them kind of like a biological storage tank. We're going to get into that a little later, how they get the venom, because it is on a whole nother level of crazy. Now, they also use them for digestion. Creepy, right? They actually eat stuff from the inside out or the outside in, however you want to break it down. But inside each one of those runs a branch of the digestive gland. Now, what this does, it gives them an extra surface area to digest food, which allows them to absorb nutrients more efficiently. And lastly, it's balance and movement. You see, these guys, they spend their entire lives at sea, floating upside down. And those fingers, they act like wings or kind of sails, helping them distribute their weight evenly across the water. Now, how they float, that's a pretty cool story too. They swallow an air bubble and then they trap it inside their stomach. That's why they can float belly up or upside down on the ocean's surface. Now, we talked earlier about the venom, and like I said, how they get it is on a whole nother level. They actually steal it from their food. Their preferred meal are Portuguese man-o'-war, which are kind of like jellyfish, and they sting like jellyfish too. But instead of being harmed, the sea slugs, they actually absorb their stinging cells and store them inside their own tissue. Now, since the sea slug stores the most potent stinging cells from multiple victims, their sting can actually be stronger on the stuff they eat. Crazy talk. Even the tiniest of blue dragons can cause welts or burning sensations inside humans. Now, these guys are pelagic, which means they spend their entire lives freely drifting on the open ocean. They're often in massive groups, which are called blue fleets. Now, when food is scarce, they got a fix. Cannibalism. The crazy part, since they're eating others of their own species, the venom that was already stolen gets stolen again. Now, these guys are found all over the world. Atlantic, Pacific, they've washed up on shore in Africa, Australia, even Texas and Florida. Now, their colors, they're not just pretty, they're protective. It's a counter-shading form of camouflage. That's basically when the tops and bottoms are colored differently so they can blend in at any angle. Their top is a bright blue, while the underside is kind of a silver gray. So from above, the seabirds looking down, they see the blue side, which blends in with the open ocean water. From below, the fish, they see a silvery underside, which matches the reflection of the sunlight coming through the waves. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video on the Blue Dragon Sea Slug, which is one of nature's tiniest sleeves. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos usually every week. Thanks for watching, y'all.